Hello, you guys. We are officially started. I am testing this system out to see if it goes to my platforms, and I don't see it just yet. So just so that you guys are knowing the reason why, either one, it seems a little strange, or I'm just talking to myself, but I'm actually not. I'm just trying to see what and how this works. So we are right now live on what's called Get Vocal, and I'm looking to see if it has linked up my other pages to it. So it is appearing as if it is live, but we're going to figure it out. So I would like to use this broadcast or this platform for some things that I'm doing, but I don't see it currently right now on any of my platforms. I'm going live on all of them. Periscope, Facebook, and YouTube. At least that's what I'm calling myself doing. So it is just me, you guys. It's just me. It's just me trying to see if I can figure this out. But I don't see it. I don't see them live. So I would sure like to use the platform, but if it seems to be a little too difficult to navigate, I don't want to do it because I could just use OBS with Coach Dave. So that's where I'm at right now. So anyway, I'm just testing it out and just seeing if I am on any of my platforms, but I don't see them right now. I don't see where I'm live on them. So let's just move it along. The one good thing that I did see about this platform that did seem to be pretty good is because it would let you go live on multiple platforms. And but right now, I don't necessarily see them. And I don't see that where I'm live. So I'm just kind of testing it out with my phone and to see if it actually is working.
Lies early voting process.
So right now I don't see them. Nope, not me either. So I don't see them live on there. So right now I'm just kind of active inside the Get Vocal group, and that's all I see. So I'm sure it could be user error, you know, if you will. It could just be me. I put in my stream keys, and that's what I did do. So, but I'm not quite sure if it's working. But it does seem like the video on it is good. Hi, Big Bad Brad. Thank you for coming in, Big Bad Brad. I am trying to test this system out just to see, you know, if it works and how it works. I put in my stream keys, but I don't appear to see that I am on any of my other platforms at all. So, okay, YouTube, I am live on YouTube. So, okay, well, something worked. I got some stream key right. So thank you for Coach Dave for finding me over there on YouTube. So I'm live on YouTube, so I got the stream key right for that one. But apparently I didn't get my stream key quite right for Periscope and what's the other one? Facebook. So we'll try this one more time, and then I'll go back and see it. So, but I think those of you guys who are hanging out, who are watching it. So thank you, Coach Dave. YouTube, yes. Okay, so I'm live on YouTube, so you guys can see me there. But if you copy the room address, I could pop in. Okay. There we go. So Coach Dave is going to pop in with me real quick, and hopefully we can get him moving along. So I apparently didn't get my stream key right for Facebook and for Periscope, but I got YouTube. So YouTube is pretty good. So I got YouTube. But we definitely will figure it and test this out one more time because I would sure like to utilize the platform and test it out. So we're going to see if we can get Coach Dave in here and he can test it out with me and we can at least be on there. Takes a couple extra steps. Okay, Facebook pin takes a couple extra steps. So I did the stream key, but apparently isn't working. So hey, Big Bad Brad, thank you for hanging out. If you are watching, thank you for being here. I am not a tech type something, so I learn as I go, and somebody just tell me click here, click there, and then I try to remember, and then I just kind of bump around for a minute until it comes across. But right now I go live every day, twice a day on social media, and I definitely connect with a lot of people, and I broadcast there. And again, I am Shannon with 4HUMANITEES. We are an online t-shirt brand. Hey, there's Coach Dave. We're going to get Coach Dave in here, and hey, so that's a cool thing. So at least Coach Dave got the room so he can come in and I'm sure guide some traffic here, but we are definitely trying to figure this out. And one of the things that I could put this right here. So this could be my featured video. So don't mind me, y'all. I'm just trying to figure things out. Okay, Coach Dave was going to come in. Okay, Coach Dave is here, it says. Hey, Coach Dave again. Coach Dave. Oh, look at that. That's cool, Coach Dave.
Hey there.
Hey, Coach Dave. That's funny. So yeah, so I put the stream key in. I put them in for all of them, but this is the only one that seems to be working so far.
Okay, there's a couple extra steps for Periscope and Facebook.
Huh?
A couple extra steps.
Oh.
For Facebook, you have to go to hit the live button, and then when it comes up, instead of camera, you have to go to connection. And then when the button down at the bottom right-hand side says go live, you got to click on that. Then you're set for Facebook.
Oh.
So you have to manually start it.
Okay, so like if I go in there right now, and then I hit the live button, then I hit the connect, and then you say go down, where?
At the very bottom right-hand corner.
Uh-huh.
When that go live button comes active, you click it.
Okay. Well, it won't let me do it right now, so.
Okay.
Okay. Schedule live. Okay.
Yeah, you can either do a schedule one or you could do the live one. They put you 11 minutes off. They won't let you schedule it any closer than 11 minutes.
Okay. So let's see it again. Let's try something. Okay, hit connect. Yeah, this is way too much going on. Yeah. Okay, go live. Select go live in the top right-hand corner. Post interactive. Yeah, the go live one isn't lit up, but if I hit the scheduled one, then it is say it's going to go live at, well, let's say 2:45. Okay, now schedule 10 minutes. Okay. So 46. How about that? Nope. 47. Nope. 50. Must be scheduled between 10 minutes and 7 days from your create time.
10 minutes and 7 days. Wow.
Yeah, 10 minutes and 7 days, 168 hours.
Oh my goodness.
Tune in and watch live. Wow. Schedule. So it's okay with 2:53.
Yeah, it's 11 minutes.
Yeah. So technically it's saying at 2:53 is going to just appear.
It's saying it's going to expect your RTMP signal at 2:53. Yeah, it's going to expect something to try and connect at that time.
Okay. Wow, yeah, that's a little more than I'm expecting to be messing around and doing, Coach Dave.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm down with giving you my stream key and then you just go live.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a little more than I need. So in the meantime, the route that I have to go would be, I would have to go the route with the live, what you call it, live stream something, whatever.
Restream.io.
Yeah, the one you pay to go live on Facebook.
Right. You know, still that $20 a month is, I think it's worth it.
Yeah, under the circumstances, because this is too many clicks and stuff. I mean, so I would have to plan it in Facebook 11 minutes before I'm going to go live.
Right. Now with even with Restream.io, I call up my browser window for Facebook. I go into live and I go to connect. Instead of camera, I go to connect. And then I put in the information. You have to put a title, and I don't think you have to put a description, but you at least have to put a title. So I put in the title and description manually, and that's the only little special thing I have to do. Then I hit my start stream button in OBS, and about 5 seconds later, the go live button activates, and I click go live and shut the browser window off. And I'm good.
Okay.
So you still have to, that's the only one you have to do manually. It'll do Periscope automatically, where the Get Vocal won't. So I like that it does automatically for Periscope, automatically for YouTube. You don't have to go through any special. It's just Facebook is a tough customer and Instagram is absolutely uncooperative. Instagram say no, absolutely no. Not just no, but heck no.
Oh no, heck no.
Heck
So
no.
now with Periscope, do I have to do the same thing? Hi, Stephen. I don't know if you could see us, but hey.
No, in Periscope, you don't have to do the same thing.
Huh. Well, I don't know why I didn't connect to Periscope. I went and got my stream key.
In Get Vocal, you do. You have to go to your producer page. You have to say preview the stream. Then you have to say
greetings to you too.
Yeah. Then you have to say get the stream. Hi, Stephen.
And you have to kind of do that each and every time.
From what I understand with Get Vocal, yes.
Yeah.
Somebody that has more experience could probably give you a little bit more guidance.
Oh, I know, huh?
But that's what I've been able to ascertain so far with my big words. Ascertain.
So we're just hanging out here, Stephen. This is my first time going live here. Apparently I was able to get YouTube to just pick it up and go off, but apparently there's a couple more steps for Facebook and Periscope, and that's just a lot of stuff to have to do. I just need something I could just click and go. You can save the stream key. Well, I thought I did. I put it in there and then I said update. and a tad cumbersome right now. Yeah, and I'm sure at some point it's going to probably do better. It sort of kind of reminds me of Be Live. And right now, some of the technology, I guess what they're doing isn't quite connected just yet. But apparently it probably be pretty good, because considering people who go live a lot, being able to go live on multiple platforms is good. But apparently they're trying to give OBS a run for their money. But right now it seems like OBS is a little simpler once you set it up.
We have a great selection of all models, including the amazing Q3, Q5, and Q7, which I believe will be the best in their class. We're offering generous trade-in allowances and compelling weekly finance rates. So come celebrate the season of Audi and Audi birthday.
Yeah, so the video on it looks pretty good. Right now, I think Mary Smith is carrying Be Live. Yeah, Be Live is actually real simple. I really liked it. And you can go live on Facebook. I think they charge right now, what, $29, Coach Dave? Something like that.
I don't know about Be Live.
But yeah, because I've used it. I used it when, it was free and they were just testing it out. Yeah, and it was free, but then they would go live. You can go live on Facebook. Now the other platforms, I don't recall that. I don't know if they've changed it. Yeah. So that's kind of like what we're doing. As I said, it's just me. I mean, I do like some of the simplicity. Once you understand, you got to unlock the boxes and the people that pop in. Hey, Coach Janine, thank you for coming in. Hey, Anthony, thank y'all for coming here too. I am Shannon, and this is Coach Dave.
Coach Dave.
That's Coach Dave. Coach Dave is definitely the be knowing in all things broadcasting and meetings and stuff. But we're both he knows a little more about this one. But this Skid Vocal, I kind of picked it up with a couple folks who had jumped on in and talked about it. And I broadcast often, and I was just looking for another platform. And this one appeared that it was doing pretty good, but there are a couple little steps that we've finding that is not as easily the connectivity is not as easy as I thought, especially trying to having to go and activate something in Facebook and in Periscope to make it work. So, I mean, I guess the question is, I understand setting it up and letting it be known the first time around, like, hey, I'm about to bring some new friends into the scene. But then if you have to go and do all this selecting for every one of the broadcasters except YouTube, that will require a lot of steps and things you have to remember to do. So, but in the meantime,
there's been another crash involving children at a school stop in Tampa, Florida. 5 children were taken to the hospital yesterday.
Yeah. So thank you guys who came in, Coach Janine and Anthony. And then, of course, Stephen, thank you for coming in here first to see, like, hey, what's going on? But as I titled it, it's just me. I'm just trying to see what it is so that I could, because I wanted to try to use this on Saturday for something totally different, Coach Dave. And just to meet with somebody but broadcast it on Facebook, but have it so that it's a easier screen. But it looked like I'm just going to have to go live on my Facebook, on my phone with them, unless I go ahead and sign up for that thing real quick. So, yeah. So that's where I'm at, you guys.
About an hour earlier, a 7-year-old boy died after being hit by a car while waiting for a school bus in Pennsylvania.
Yes. So, hey y'all.
Hi, everybody.
So yeah, that's funny, Coach Dave. So, Coach, as you can see, Coach Dave has a lot of tricks up his sleeve with his characters, which are also the cookie gingerbread man. He's cool.
Gingerbread man. He's sweet. Haha.
Yeah, gingerbread man is. So, how do you get him to do like all of the different faces?
I move my face. I lift my eyebrows. Or if I put my eyebrows down, it goes like this.
Oh, so it's like a facial recognition kind of sort of thingy.
Right. I have to reset him right here for a second because he's not doing what I'm supposed to do.
Oh.
There we go. Now it's reset. Eyebrows up, eyebrows down.
Okay. Oh, that's cool.
Mouth open. Smile.
Oh.
And if you blink.
Okay.
So he does all that stuff. He just can't put his arms down. His arms are going to get tired.
Okay.
Because he's a cookie.
Yeah, he's a cookie. That's funny. So yeah. Okay, well shoot. And you know what? I can't see it on YouTube myself. I don't see my own channel.
Well, every time I came in and tested this the other night, and when I was broadcasting, if I would switch to a different tab to try and see it.
For California veterans, the cost of housing is a crisis.
As soon as I switched tabs, my video went black on Get Local. I'd go to the other one and the video would be black. And then I come back here, and after a few seconds, it would come back.
Oh, okay.
There's a real solution. Prop 1. Veterans and affordable housing bond. Vote yes on 1 and no on 2.
Yeah, so, okay, so I need to move on to the next. I mean, this is, I guess, good, but Appear In is easy to use. I've used Appear In. Appear In is really easy. It could have up to 3 people in there. And you could do shared screen as well.
Okay. What's that one called?
Appear In.
Appear In. Okay.
Yeah, Appear In is kind of looks somewhat like this, but not all these other things. But it's real simple, and anybody can come in, but it's more about just you guys. You don't go live on it. Now, if you put it on OBS and do a shared screen, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I mean that would.
I love OBS because I can share any screen.
Right.
I could share our conversation right here, right now.
Yeah. So if you have Appear In going, you could definitely show Appear In on OBS and stream it to your Facebook.
Right. And that's what I do with my Zoom window too. You know, we're not broadcasting Zoom to anything. It's a private conversation. And I just capture it and put it in OBS.
Okay, what?
That's why I don't have to have the paid one. Because if it's just me and somebody else, you know, you can do unlimited time conversation with one person. But with OBS, you capture the window and then use it as a screen to broadcast that captured window to anywhere you want to go with it.
Okay, but you are using your $20 Facebook connector.
For the Facebook, yes.
Okay, got it. Okay. So for those of you who didn't catch that, hey, Jake Garrett, thank you for coming in too. Coach Dave can teach you guys a couple things. Exactly. So, but you know, for me who don't know all of that stuff just yet, I was trying to use the Get Vocal to do a couple things that I wanted to be able to broadcast to Facebook. But apparently I could, but there's just several steps I would have to do in order to do that. So like right now, I timed it, but I don't know if it's working right now. I put it to my 4HUMANITEES Facebook page.
Yeah.
So let's see if it's working.
Unfortunately, it was set on fire and sank, but now it has been found. You will be surprised at
Let's see. Did it work? Is it live?
Look at my phone here and see so my screen doesn't go black. As soon as I leave the tab, my screen goes black. Or my camera
Yeah,
does.
no, I don't see it on there because I'm on my computer too. But no, I didn't see it, so it didn't pick up.
which of these places impressed you the most. Comment below.
Let's see what I got going here.
Yeah, so it didn't pick up, so that it's not showing on my personal page. I'm on my business page.
Okay.
So yeah. Well, this is all interesting.
4HUMANITEES. Let's see. I just got to your 4HUMANITEES page. No, I don't see it.
Yeah, no, I don't see it either. Oh, okay. So I need to get that other stuff going on then.
By the way, this is Frank the brown bear.
Yeah. The brown bear.
Hey, my name's Frank.
Oh, huh.
4HUMANITEES. Oh wait, I just got to your 4HUMANITEES page. Wow, you have to. There's a lot of steps just to get somewhere in these.
Oh, hi, Lokish. Thank you for coming in here. We are learning a little bit about Get Vocal. I am for sure. And so as it says, it's just me. We had a couple folks in here. Oh, we got Xavier. You popped in. And we thank you guys for coming in. But our bear here is Coach Dave. Coach Dave the bear. He is definitely someone that you guys can connect with as far as how to utilize a lot of other cool tools as far as broadcasting goes. So we were going to try to use Get Vocal. For me, I was going to try to use it for something, but it's a little cumbersome. It's a couple of things that have to be done. Things don't automatically connect, even though you think you put your stream key in there and it should work, but it didn't go as easily as I thought. So it's interesting, and thanks Stephen for popping in, and hey Aaron, thank you for coming in here too. So for those of you who are popping in, popping out, we're not doing a whole lot. I'm just trying to figure it out, but right now I think I have a pretty good understanding so far that I have to do a couple of things with Facebook and Periscope in order to make this work. Apparently YouTube seemed to don't mind who connects with them. They just like, yeah, we here, ready to go. And just for some of you guys, again, I go live a lot. So I'm on Facebook, Periscope. And as soon as, again, I continue to let Coach Dave help me get my OBS life, I can actually just make this really, really simple. And I don't have to be running around in the street. Looking for all these things. And
I think I was in a room with Sarah before.
Yeah. Hi, Sarah.
I think Sarah is the one that told me about this software that I'm running for my camera.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I think the bear is one of my favorite ones.
Yeah, that's a good one.
He looks like a bear with dentures.
Oh, yeah.
Got perfect teeth.
Yeah, he does. He got perfect teeth. That's pretty cool, though. So,
I wish I
yeah.
had a faster internet connection. He wouldn't be so jerky.
Oh, Oh yeah, he okay.
Caesar Sayoc, the man accused of sending 15 pipe bombs to various critics of
Oh well, so I guess I better get going. So thank you, Coach Dave.
No problem.
So yeah, we got.
Talking to you.
I told you guys we got one more person, so we're gonna get this party started on Saturday.
Awesome.
So yeah, so for those of you, we're having this class. It's gonna be great. It's gonna have a good time. So okay, well I'm gonna close. Okay, I see stop broadcast. All right, got it. Yeah. So thank you. So I'm gonna go. I'll talk with you later, Coach Dave.
Okay. Bye, Shannon.
Bye. Bye.